From start to finish, Champion handles the entire process of your sunroom installation. The process of adding a new room to your home takes time. This video will take you through the installation process of one of our most common builds, a fully equipped Champion all-season sunroom with a gable roof system. After the room is designed by Champion Engineering and the building permits are approved by the city and your homeowners association, if you have one, the manufacturing of your new sunroom begins. Before the new room can be built, you'll need to make sure you've removed all your items, moved bushes or plants, and secured your pets from the work area, so the crew has clear access. Site prep takes place first, whether that means pouring concrete or tearing down an old deck and building new. Once complete, the site is inspected and ready for installation. Once the site is ready and a trained crew is available, the construction of your new room will begin. The crew leader will greet you and go over plans for the sunroom construction process before work begins. The installation is a multi-day process. Installation begins with framing the base of the walls on the new deck, concrete, or existing area where the room will be connected to the home. The windows and door frames are then set in place. This room is designed with insulated knee panels at the base of the walls rather than glass panels. The ridge beam is then set and the connection to the home is framed to support the insulated gable roof panels. Then, attractive fascia is set to finish the outer edge of the roof. Once the outermost frame and roof is complete, the frame is set for the fixed glass transoms at the top of this room, and the sliding glass windows and doors installed. The core aluminum frame is then finished with vinyl trim covers, concealing screws and bolts for an attractive exterior and interior finish. The interior connecting wall to the home is finished with beadboard or soffit. Matching or comparable shingles are then installed to complete the gable roof of the new sunroom. If purchased, the electrical package is then installed with wall sockets, wall switches, hookups for customer-provided ceiling fan, and lights. The heating and cooling unit is then installed in this all-season sunroom. For this room, the sunroom was designed around the existing entry door connecting the room to the house. The Champion team will install a new door if it's included in your design. Once complete, the installation team will clean up the work area, make sure the room is in order, demonstrate functionality, and answer any questions you may have. The interior flooring is designed and installed by the customer. The room is now complete and ready to furnish and enjoy. From start to finish, installation of an all-season room takes on average 2 to 5 weeks, depending on your location, the weather, and number of inspections needed. Other sunroom types and options selected will differ in process and time to complete the room.